New year, new drinks. If you're skipping alcohol but still crave something fun to sip on, let's explore dirty sodas. Bold, flavorful, and endlessly customizable. Start with a classic like Jones Cream Soda and elevate it to a dessert-worthy treat with a drizzle of Hershey's chocolate syrup and a dollop of whipped cream. Or try Lester's Fixin's Cucumber Soda, mixed with pineapple juice and a hint of coconut cream for a light tropical twist. Feeling adventurous? Rocket Fizz's Coca-Cola takes a cozy turn with toasted marshmallow and caramel syrup. Or add a touch of magic to your glass with Indian Wells root beer, butterscotch syrup, and vanilla creamer for a butterbeer-inspired delight. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, Nevada Reaper Soda delivers a fiery kick when blended with mango juice, chamoy, and a tahine rim. With nearly 600 craft sodas at Redstone Foods, all made with real cane sugar, you can mix, match, and create endless dirty soda combinations. Whether you prefer sweet, tangy, or spicy, there's a flavor waiting for you. Visit redstonefoods.com to explore America's favorite craft sodas. You'll see why Redstone is America's favorite candy distributor.